In today's video, I will walk you through how to clear cache in CapCut PC. Start by locating the settings icon inside CapCut PC and click on it to open the available options menu. Once the menu appears, click on Settings to open the main settings panel. Inside the settings window, look under the Draft section. In this area, you will find the cache size option, which displays the amount of cache data currently stored in CapCut PC. Next to the cache size section, locate the Delete button and click on it. Once selected, CapCut will begin clearing the cached files stored on your computer. After clicking Delete, wait for the process to complete. The amount of time this takes will depend on how large the cache size is. Smaller cache sizes may clear quickly, while larger cache sizes can take longer to finish. During the process, keep the settings window open and allow CapCut to complete the cache removal. Once the process finishes, the cache size section will update automatically. If needed, you can return to the same settings area later and repeat the process again by clicking the Delete button under Cache Size. After the cache has been cleared, you can close the settings window and continue using CapCut PC normally.